I'm not 100% Asian. I'm not 100% American. I'm 100% Asian American. With the help of Lee Kum Kee, I can translate that into all the food I make. Hi, my name is Winnie. I'm from Smoke Queen Barbecue. Today I'm making a bone butter tomahawk steak. So I recently went to Japan and I was inspired to make this dish. I love taking that Lee Kum Kee authentic product and cross-pollinating it with American barbecue and just creating something that is truly my identity. So let's get started on the sauce. First off, I'm gonna use Lee Kum Kee premium soy sauce. It's fermented using natural sunlight. Can't make any sauce without Lee Kum Kee's oyster sauce. Last but not least, it's gonna be Lee Kum Kee smoky chili crisp sauce. And now to round this all off, we're going to add some whiskey. So I'm second generation Malaysian Chinese. Malaysia is like the ultimate immersion country where we've got Indian immigrants, Chinese immigrants, and the native Malays. And so it's reflected in all the food that we make. What would happen to that 1990s Winnie if she had a role model like me back then that said you should celebrate who you really are and not be ashamed? So I realized, you know what, I can't hide and I shouldn't hide who I am. I should be proud. I have a cookbook coming out called Chinese American Barbecue, and I'm actually the first female Asian American barbecue cookbook author. Come visit Smoke Queen Barbecue, and for more recipes like this, visit usa.lkk.com.